This video discusses information on how to connect the serial cable and the power supply to your NSF take-home kit. The first thing we're going to look at is the kit itself. On one side, you'll notice to the very right hand side this circular hole. This hole right here is where the power supply plugs in. Simply take the end of the power supply, which is the big power brick that looks like that. This end's going to plug into your wall, and then this end plugs right into the kit, just like that. Next, we have the serial connection. Your serial cable has this connector in the middle, and then it has two ends. This end connects to the kit itself, and then this end connects to your USB port on your computer. To connect the serial cable to the kit, you're going to look for the silver dot, or if there's not a silver dot present, you're going to look for these little tiny square metallic little shiny guys right there. And they plug all the way into the very left hand side of the kit, just like such. The silver dot facing up and those little metal squares facing up as well. Thank you very much.